Good morning, everyone. Today we are here to discuss about modern age susceptibility of compact variables and analysis. This is the walkthrough of our discussion. So let us start with the introduction of our topic. Sensors today in tech-driven world has become a part of our day-to-day life, ranging from elevators to smartphones and even fabrics inculcated in our clothes. Sensors can be a device, module, machine, or a subsystem which can detect inputs from physical environment and respond in some other system in human perceivable form, such as display, output transmission signal, etc.
As technology advances, so does its diverse and creative inventions. One of those innovations include wearable technology that also goes by different names such as wearable devices or wearables. It is a class of electronic devices that can be incorporated into items that can be worn by anyone in numerous forms, ranging from accessories or fabrics to even implants in one's body for both personal or business use. These devices aren't just confined to performing just basic computing functions like one's mobile phones or laptops, but are able to do very unique and practical tasks, varying from lifestyle support, health monitoring, fitness tracking, etc. Wearable devices are an essential division of IoT that make life not just easier but also more secure, especially in a tech dependent world. They work in a web based form that tracks different tasks as well as enhances user experience based on user specific needs and wishes. Customizations are based on the data it collects, processes, and analyzes, mostly in real life. Sensors controlled by microcontrollers are embedded in wearable devices, such as they facilitate wireless data transfer between hardware and software components. These offer all kinds of varied functionalities which are embedded through sensors that come in different types, shapes, and sizes. The role of sensors in enabling all these varied functionalities in variable technology is very critical. They can detect and respond to various changes in the environment. These results in a vast number of applications such as smart jewelry, fabrics, body implants, smart skin tattoos, air pollution detectors, and smart security devices. The contribution of this technology in the modern world is quite immense, as they have enabled not just smart individuals with the use of wearables, but also smart industries and smart enterprises.
So, how does this omnipresent technology work? In simple terms, a sensor converts stimuli such as heat, light, sound, and motion into electrical signals. These signals are then passed through an interface that converts them into binary code and passes this onto a computer to be processed. As shown in the diagram, we can see how an input can be analog values or an external stimuli, both natural or a manual cause, which passes through a sensor which converts it into human readable form or voltage, current, and displays output. It has been it also is supplied by some sort of power, which can be manual or natural. Sensor basically works on the principle of conversion as shown above. It detects change in property 2 and generates an electrical output. And even for such a simple function, there are variations in performances of sensors. Hence, they are classified into various categories on the basis of many criteria, such as costs, uses, production parameters, materials, etc. In broader terms, sensors can be divided into two major categories: active sensors and passive sensors. Active sensors are the sensors which require an external source of energy for further response, and passive are just the opposite, which do not require any energy source. Active sensors, parameters, and properties can be modified as it is a manual source of input, whereas parameters in passive sensors cannot be changed as they are basically supported by natural causes such as heat, vibrations, etc. Thus, thus passive sensors are sensitive to weather conditions, active sensors are not. Active sensors' main area of application is meteorology, and examples include laser, radar, etc. Examples of passive sensors include electric field sensing, seismic applications, etc.
A safe and secure environment is crucial for the welfare of any society as it affects all aspects of an individual, business, and community. Sensor technology has provided a lot of solutions to ensure a secure surrounding that certainly helps improve the quality of life. Their application in the branch of security has proved to be highly essential by either warning or stopping potential problems before they become bigger. Places that are highly vulnerable to security breaches and attacks, leading to data leakage, such as banks, houses, museums, art galleries, military, etc., have been made more secure by the implementation of sensors such as motion detectors, IRs, laser sensors for detection and imaging of targets, radar sensors, etc. No matter the advancement, in wearable technology, there are vulnerabilities associated with them that pose a non dismissible threat to individual and communal security. As wearable technology is completely dependent on sensors and the data it handles, their stability and accurate analytical precision are very critical. Most of the defects that are presently hindering the wearable's full efficiency are their bad battery life, as well as slow recharging, handling, and safeguarding of big data generated, poor communication and workflow, slow data transfer rates, and data mining, materials, as well as associated requirements and the size and rigidity of sensors. Many wearables are being manufactured at the expense of poor data security and user privacy, as speed is the priority in today's demanding world. Lack of proper guidelines and terms of use, as well as the transparency with the users, has also been one of the drawbacks observed in some of the wearables. As all these issues make this technology highly susceptible to data and privacy leaks. Only data confidentiality and authentication and its secure management can contribute to making data reliable.
With the vulnerabilities come some solution. Thus, we have some propositions of innovations and future prospects regarding to solve these vulnerabilities and at least lessen the amount of uh, sec- threats to security and make it a more reliable system. Privacy comes and one of the major concerns regarding the wearable devices. Thus, incorporating technologies such as isometric, biometric, and preferring newer methods of security with modified policies and guidelines can help in strengthen the walls of privacy. The integrated circuit metric or the isometric technology has proved to be an efficient tool with its unique design and concept, which helps overcome the sensitive spot of securing these wearable devices. It offers a premise of key generation that helps block forgery through impersonation and spoofing attack. This key generation and disposal happens consecutively through this technology, thus it permits the omission of storing keys and any related models as per requirement. Another method which can be included in proposition is including a standalone variable instead of them being connected to any other devices. Connectivity with Wi-Fi, cloud, or even Bluetooth has chances of data leakage and data access through unauthorized sources. Thus, having a unique singular variable which with no connectivity inclusiveness will ensure more secure protection of data amongst users. Inaccuracy in recorded medical data can defeat the whole purpose of wearable devices in the medical field. This can be seen in instances such as if a person's heart monitor shows a false data, it can prove fatal to its user. For ensuring reliability of these devices, in future, regular inspections is a proposed solution which needs to be scheduled as in such a way that if an error occurs, it can be relayed without any further delay. Recent years have seen a demand in battery life in usable technology, and it has not been avoided in wearable technologies as well. So, what can be a more efficient solution in order for high performance phenomenon? This can be guaranteed by microcontrollers' inventions. These miniature additions facilitate low power and high performance in these devices and also support quick charge solutions, which is seen in smartphones but has yet to be included in wearable devices. Hence, incorporating proper microcontrollers is very crucial in efficient functioning of a wearable device to provide high battery life.
Technology, even with the vulnerabilities and threats that come with them, they serve multiple purposes in regards to convenience and alter the way of general functioning in day to day life. Though there are sustainable modifications discussed earlier that could reduce the danger to privacy and security of the users, one of the obstacles which are difficult to overcome is cost effectiveness. Meeting both efficiency and security becomes difficult with limiting budget while dealing with the intricate technologies. Capital requirement gets incremented while preferring sustainable resources. The task of meeting the expectation seems open to constant research and evolution as of today, but reaching the goal of a perfect wearable at hand doesn't seem that far. After all, sensors and wearables enhance the quality of life and have the potential to contribute to the welfare of society. Thank you.
Thank you.